In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to buy something on Carousell. Alright, let's get started. Once you see something you like, maybe a pair of jeans, a t-shirt, or anything else, just tap on the item to open it. From there, you can start a chat with the seller. This is where you can ask questions, check availability, or talk about the price. If there's no fixed price listed and you want to make an offer, tap Make Offer, type in the amount you're willing to pay, and hit Submit Offer. The seller will get a notification and can either accept your offer, reject it, or reply with a counteroffer if they want to negotiate. Once you both agree on a price, you can arrange payment and delivery or a meetup, depending on what works best for both of you. For payments, it's safest to use Carousell's secure payment options if available. This helps protect both buyers and sellers in case of any issues. For delivery, you can choose shipping through Carousell, where they provide tracking, or organize a local meetup. Always confirm the item's condition and make sure you're satisfied before completing the transaction. One tip: check the seller's ratings and reviews before buying. High ratings and positive feedback can give you confidence that you're dealing with a trustworthy seller. Also, communicate clearly and politely during the process to avoid misunderstandings. And that's it. Buying on Carousell is simple once you know the steps. Just find your item, chat with the seller, negotiate if needed, pay securely, and enjoy your purchase. Remember to leave feedback for the seller after the transaction. It helps the community and builds trust for future buyers and sellers.